Performing gas test on gas line at 3 psi. Gas line is dropping. Detected 2 leaks on this joint. Another leak at the dresser coupling. All leaks are before the gas meter on the main header. And that's how you perform a gas test after the utility company shuts off the gas. Put air in the line with a regular bicycle pump. And you just spray it with the soap bubbles, in this case Resolve, with a little palm olive to help get that bubble effect. And there are your leaks. Thank you very much. Another video from Nophier Plumbing and Heating.